Hey, Freddy with CJ Off-Road. If you've been following our YouTube channel, you've seen we've done a ton of LED upgrades to our 2016 Jeep Wrangler, but the taillights are still incandescent, which is just not okay. So today we're going to change that by installing a set of LED taillights. These LED taillight bulbs are going to be direct fit replacements for the factory bulbs, and they're going to be brighter and light up faster, which will improve safety. And today we're going to be installing them on our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Installation of these bulbs is real simple. Just remove these two inner screws, and the only tool you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. And remove the housing. To remove the brake light bulb, grab the connector and twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. Give the bulb a little bit of a wiggle and pull it out. These LED bulbs are already really bright and they're ready to go into the harness right now. However, if you want maximum brightness, you can pop off this cap to make them even brighter. Grab a flathead screwdriver or a pick and stick it right in this notch. Pop the cap off, and now you can actually see the LEDs, and this will make it a lot brighter. Place it into the connector, and if you install it and it doesn't light up, simply pull it out, rotate it 180 degrees, and reinstall it. Now we're going to test to make sure it works. Looks like it works. Now we can reinstall it. Put the bulb into the housing, line up the notches, rotate it clockwise to lock it, then reinstall the housing onto the Jeep. Install the housing with the reverse light on the bottom. Snap it in, reinstall both screws. Repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the LED versus the incandescent taillight bulb. We have the LED bulb on the right, and as you can see, it's much brighter than the incandescent bulb, and it lights up faster, which will improve safety. Our LED taillight bulbs are installed, they're way brighter than the factory, and they light up quicker, which will improve safety. Installation is going to take about 15 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.